Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still believe this is going to continue to grow into a nice big uptrend. I think it's eventually going to go up and take out these highs, probably go up to at least the 161.8 fib level to finish off what I think is an uptrend for a wave A or possibly an uptrend for a wave 1. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this right here is an uptrend, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think we may already have the ABC of 2, and I think we possibly are already in a wave 3. And over the coming weeks, this is going to continue to make the higher highs, higher lows, all part of that big wave 3, which also tells me that I am definitely still primarily looking for longs in an uptrend on shorter time frames. So going down to the daily, on the daily, I actually don't think this move down is over. It does kind of resemble a 1, 2, 3, and maybe a 4, but I think this is actually going to stretch out quite a bit more, probably at least take out this low. I do believe it is going to make a higher low than this, like a higher low, and eventually go up and break structure, showing us that the move down is over, and most likely at that point, continuing the uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it looks like we formed a WXY. I definitely see three ways up, definitely three ways down, three ways up. Looks like an end of a WXY triple zigzag pattern. It looks like impulsive down. It looks like corrective up. I think this 38% fib level could possibly hold, and it very easily could just keep on going down, part of like a 1, 2, and a wave 3. So definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames while this move to the downside is finishing. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this looks like the end of a big wave Y, big impulsive move down. I definitely see three waves up, and it did go right to the 38% fib level. I think there's a good possibility that is the end of a crescent, maybe even a 1, ABC of 2, and I think we may be preparing to go down for a big wave 3. A wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, so I'm definitely going to be looking for shorts on the way down. If I see any pullbacks, those are definitely the trades I'm going to be looking for to build a position to the short side for the continuation of what I think could be a wave 3 on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.